Okay, it's not clear what the deal is on the welding wire because, number one, I don't know if it'll show in this movie or not, but this is extremely dusty. This stuff apparently sat out for a long time. And it's slightly rusty too. There's the spool of wire. And this is a doctor's scale, a sliding beam balance. As you can tell, I have it set to 0. And you can tell it's in a state of balance with nothing on it. I'm going to put the camera down now. And I'm going to put the spool of wire, the dusty, slightly rusty spool of wire, onto the scale here. It should weigh 30 pounds or more, seeing as I'm not sure if the 30 pounds is net or gross, but whatever it is, now we're going to adjust the scale together. Alright, now there's 24. There's 25. It's less than 25. And over 24. Less than 25. There's 24 and a half. About 24 and a half. You can see it's in a state of balance. Maybe it's even 24. It's at 24 and a half now. Now it's at 24. It's like 24 and a quarter pounds, this spool of wire. Now, so I wouldn't have weighed the wire unless it was filthy and rusty. The picture on eBay showed it in a plastic bag and a box. And it came to me loose, not in a plastic bag and not in a box. Actually, it came in the bottom of a box, which I'll show you pictures of. But you can see on the inside, I don't know if you can see or not, but this stuff's starting to rust. It's also extremely dusty, like it's been sitting on a shelf somewhere. I think you can see the dust on the top of the reel here. And the wire itself. So, what's the bottom line? I don't think this is the roll of wire that I bought. It don't weigh 30 pounds, number one. It weighs 24 and a quarter. Give or take a quarter of a pound. That's including the reel. So, hey, you tell me. I didn't measure the diameter of the wire itself yet. I'll do that now.